Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. So I'm just kind of getting the shape of that rump in first. And then just what comes out on the side, and we'll just kind of feel our way through it. I'm going twice the speed here and voicing over. Bring those legs down. Just gotta feel my way around. There's not much of a head sticking up there, but we can see that it's a head for sure. And that leg's sort of being lifted up. Well, it is being lifted up. We kind of see the back, the bottom half of the leg. And you notice I just overlap the tail over top of everything else. I don't worry about overlap. I just get my shapes in, and if there's lines I need to get rid of, I do then. And that's why it's really good to start with something that's erasable. I just find if I worry about overlap and try to avoid it, it interrupts the flow of energy for me anyways. You got to find your own way. We can just barely see those paws. I just love how that lifted up back leg kind of sticks out towards us. Just a quick gesture drawing, and you can decide where you take something like this. You can just use it for practice, or it could be the foundational drawing for a more finished piece of work. Who says what's finished and what's not anyways? I just love the sketchy look. Something so beautiful about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.